Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on your Samsung Galaxy. This is for the A series, the a20, the a30, the a50, the a70, the a52, the a32, the a21s, all these phones, right? So if you look, you can see where the connections are for the buttons, and these two over here is for the power and these are for the volume. So I just want you to bear that in mind, right? So if you broken your power button on the outside, I am going to show you how we are going to turn on this phone, right? So you can use something like a pin, a screwdriver, a tweezer, right? And what we are going to do, we are going to hold these two pins here together. The phone will vibrate, and when it vibrates, then it will turn on. So guys, that's how you can power on your phone without the outer power button. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.